The S186 drone is a high-performance FPV quadcopter designed for enthusiasts and hobbyists who want professional quality aerial photography. This drone combines a durable ABS plastic body with cutting-edge electronic components, a powerful 8K HD camera, and a brushless motor. With a suite of intelligent flight modes and advanced safety features, the S186 is a versatile tool for capturing breathtaking imagery in a variety of environments. Professional 8K HD camera and FPV transmission. The S186 is equipped with an impressive 8K HD camera that, when combined with Wi-Fi FPV transmission, delivers stunning real-time video and crystal-clear images from the sky. This allows you to see exactly what the drone sees, making it perfect for capturing professional quality footage. The camera is further enhanced by an escape camera for smooth, stable flight and precise hovering. Brushless motor and advanced flight capabilities. The drone features a brushless motor, which provides superior power, efficiency, and a longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. This ensures smooth, stable flight and excellent performance. The 4-channel 2.4 GHz frequency remote control provides a long-range flight of up to 1,000 meters, making it ideal for capturing wide-angle landscapes and scenic photography. Intelligent flight and safety features. The S186 is packed with intelligent flight modes that make flying easier for both beginners and seasoned pilots. It includes height hold, one-key takeoff and landing, GPS positioning, and headless mode. For added safety, the drone is equipped with an IR obstacle avoidance system and an emergency stop function. The trajectory flight feature allows the drone to fly along a predetermined path, adding a layer of creative control. Gesture photography and 50x zoom. Capture hands-free photos and videos with the drone's gesture photography and video feature, allowing you to control the drone with simple hand gestures. The 50x zoom functionality with automatic photography is ideal for detailed zoom shots and close-up aerial footage, giving you the flexibility to capture both wide shots and intricate details. Extended flight time and durability. Powered by a high-capacity battery, the S186 offers an extended flight time of approximately 15 minutes per charge. The 60-minute quick charge cycle ensures minimal downtime between flights. The drone's durable ABS plastic body and its ability to handle advanced flight capabilities make it a reliable companion for all your aerial adventures. In summary, the S186 drone is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a high-performance, feature-rich quadcopter. Its combination of an 8K HD camera, a powerful brushless motor, and advanced intelligent flight and safety features makes it a top contender in its class. With its long flight range, gesture controls, and extended flight time, the S186 offers a premium and secure flying experience for all your aerial photography and videography needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, tips, and tutorials.